Yeah, this is really good. I'll go 8.5 on the cold pasta, guys. It's really good. It's fire. I like it. All right, here we've got these egg egg and broccoli and vegetable. It's like egg whites things that we get from Costco. I forgot what they're called, like egg beaters or something like that. I'm gonna try them out cold. My wife swears by these things. Like she eats them all the time. You see, it's got a lot of vegetables, got egg. It's all held together. Let me try it out. It's okay. And use hot sauce or ketchup. It's got potential. I'll give it a 7.7. It's got potential. All right. That's this edition of eating leftover cold food for breakfast. You enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe to my channel, share this video. Everybody have a great day.